So here's my personal little peanut, and she's 8 years old, and she has starting to get some hip issues. So we're gonna work on her with you all and see how she does. Okay, I'm gonna make you famous. All right, so let's see what is happening here. Is she ready for healing? I think so. I think so. All right. Am I ready to give her some work? One says yes. Okay. So anything before we address the hips specifically? No. Okay. Oh. So you can see when I touch her back, she starts responding. Okay. All right. So is it both hips? No. Is it this top one? No. No. So it's, yeah, I've been working on this left one a little bit, so I'm going to see if it is structural. Yes. Is it ligamentous? No. Is it spine relation to the hip? Yes. Is it hip position? That's a sort of. Oh, you Do you see this face? Do you see this face? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hang on. All right. There we go. Okay. So, do we work the spine first? Yes. All right. Cervical, thoracic, lower lumbar. Yes. Okay. So I'm going to put my hand here. How about here? Yes. How about here? No. Here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, do I press on this side? Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. No. Okay. So I'm just going to do some pulsation on the spine. Oh. As all living beings, they have. Okay, hi. They have favorite sides that they lay on, as do we. Yeah, that was right on my lip. Okay, is this one done? Yes, it's a battle. We go down to the lower one. Ouchies? Yes, ouchies. Okay. So, does it need to go this way, head, or tail? Needs to go towards the tail. So she needs some contraction. Hi, Bubbles. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? She's helping. So, okay. So she may need a little bit of. I need your lumbars. I need your lumbars. Thank you. So, she repositioned herself because I needed to get on the side of her lumbars. So while I'm doing a little bit of retracted work on her here, just a reminder because she is a big dog and we do have a house with slippery tile when she runs around. It's a lot of strain. So, and she happens to be a mixed breed that has trouble with their hips genetically. So I'm going to do a little retraction here. There you go. Oh. She jumps up and down off the bed, so at some point she's going to cause some strain here. But it is a reminder. Oh, okay, I will be a little gentler. Thank you. Just a reminder, any dog that has to run through the house that's has some slick to it, they're going to have joint problems over time. So it's good to get those corrected early on. Okay, so is there anything else we need to do to this lumbar? No. How about here? No. SI joint? No. I did a lot of work on that already, actually. Sacrum. Yes. Okay. Don't bark. If she barks, I apologize, but hey, she's a dog. Okay, so I'm going to work on the sacrum. Just drawing out. Ooh, there it is. And she does nibble on this quite a bit, and I always questioned if it was just fleas. I think part of it is just discomfort. But, dogs will bite the areas that bother them. And that's paws. It could be the spine, etc. Psychological. All right, there's some psychological stuff in here. So I'm going to hold her head and tap it at the same time. And yes, you do have to be able to do contortions and yoga when you work. That's an intuitive. Oh, good you. Okay. All right, let's see. Piero. Sorry for the reflections. Okay. Anything else? Oof. No. Okay. We good? Yes. We need another tail pull. No. Anything else? Nothing? Nothing? Oh, right here. Okay. Let's go back. It's a little higher than what I worked before. It needs to go this way. It needs to be torqued a little bit. So let's see if it's just one or two. It's both. It's two. Okay. So I just put a little bit of pressure with the torque and wait for a change. Oh, a little twitch in the muscle. Oh. And so if you have questions as to whether I work on other animals, I do. And I don't have to necessarily be there to do it, but I do like being there. Okay, anything else? No. Are we done here? Okay. All right, cool. So just giving some love. That's animal healing for today. See ya.